Hi. So, how are you feeling today? Office is actually sometimes a little bit tiring, also, right? You may feel overwhelmed with the hustle and bustle of today's life. Very busy managing your home, managing your work, and you know what? The energy goes down. And when the energy goes down, the performance goes down. So, little points can help you to feel rejuvenated. Your energy level can automatically keep going up. You can do little things like standing up, walking, little bit of stretching, or even you can take a deep long breath. Breathing affects our state of mind, our emotional health, our mental balance actually is connected. We say, and there is a saying, Jesse Sans Vesaman, Jessaman Vesi Sanse. Just think about it. When you're bored, when you're sad, your breath goes down. When you are excited, you breathe faster. And when you're angry, it becomes like tuck, 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 tuck. So whenever you feel you're going down, you're feeling low, just take these little actions. And you don't have to be perfect the first day. One little step every day will keep you motivated, your energy levels up. And you know what? The biggest energy centers are inside our own body. They are called chakras. When they are balanced, your mind, body, soul, it remains happy and balanced, and you can perform very well in your personal life and in your work life. So start the journey and remember, you're not alone. We are there for you.